if you've been waiting for one of these videos on this car. Sorry it took so long, we've got a lot going on, but if you didn't know, we're giving away a car right now on karmaspeed.com. Our team is growing, and maybe eventually, if you support us now on the journey, on the come up, we'll give away a coupe. We'll do this wide body, we'll build the same car, STI, swap it, give it away to one of you guys. How sick would that be? It's only possible if we get support along the way. We build up some accounts, we can invest. We know how to do these cars now. It's going to be easy for Randall and I to build one of these cars now that we know everything about it, and as well as you guys do for the most part, but doing it hands-on is obviously a little different. But we could build one of these cars fast if we have the support and the money there. So if you guys like that idea, karmaspeed.com, we have President's Day sale going on, 50x entries. Go to click that link, get entered to win the Mazda Speed 3 project. It's looking really sick. I got the wrap done almost. It's looking nice. Go check it out. Enjoy this video. I appreciate the guys at Powder Coat. It in Tempe, Arizona. Josh, TJ, Drake. I love you guys. Thank you so much. They're awesome friends. I appreciate them. Let's get into it. We learned a lot. We got our wheels. We got picked out for this build. We got some Kansai KNPs. That's a pretty big boy. All four around the car. But let's look at these colors up close and kind of see what we're working with. Whoa. We got to stop for a second. The guys at Kansai need a little bit more screen time. And let me tell you, their wheels are my least favorite part of their business. And why is that? Chris and James, if you're watching this, you guys rock. I know a good company when I see one, and just having dialogue over email, getting their support with wheels, cool. Two guys that are passionate, super nice, easy to work with, great at communicating. That is where it's at for me right now. I'm so thankful. Because of them, I get to help grow my business faster, helps me pay bills and pay Randall so he can have his own life, and then I can afford my own life, and then we can grow as fast as we can because they help us with wheels, and they make sure it's fast and efficient and get us what we need. So thank you, Kansai. If you guys want to check out an awesome company with some awesome wheels with good people behind it, and this is the simplicity of their company. I love it. In the description, go check out the Kansai website, snoop around. They have some more sizes they're adding in a couple months, they told me. So just keep your eyes out, follow them on Instagram and whatnot. Appreciate them so much. Let's get back into the process. All right, we're back at Powder Coat It. These are 4 powder coat colors I'm choosing between. Oh man, I love picking out custom colors. Paint, the wheels, this thing is gonna look so unique. We're in the powder coat shop. Meet TJ.
Hey guys, everything's been taped, ready to roll. We got all your mounts, your wheels have been taped. I'll let Drake help. We're gonna do a couple different oven sessions. The first session, we're gonna do your wheels because obviously those are the most important. We'll do the cage.
Everybody, this is Drake. Drake's teaching me how to powder coat today. Drake, what up?
What up?
Thanks for the help.
No, not a problem, dude. Me personally, when I'm doing wheels, I like to start with the barrel and then, or the outer lip, I guess, in a sense, and then I'll start the barrel and then the face. With powder, you don't want it to get it like clumpy in a sense. So if I start with the face and then I'm coming back here, all the powder, excess powder is coming through here and gonna stick right here, and you don't want to see that like orange peely look type deal. So I always start with the lip and then the barrel and then the face. Now you're good to go. But yeah, so after that you're really good to go. Make sure you have your ground set up, because that's what basically lets the electricity through the gun and through the powder stick, is through that ground. I could start off if you want and then hand it over to you and I'll coach you through everything.
Randall and I are talking about how when it's in powder form right now, you can't really tell how much is on there because the color changes so drastically after it cooks. But like right now, the wheel still looks like it was just freshly sandblasted. It's still like a bright, that silver color. So it's gonna be interesting kind of learning where you put too much or too little. This was all Randall's idea.
Might as well. I shall rest for a few minutes.
Randall's gonna do it.
Scared. off the wheel first.
You guys know Randall knows how to do everything. We'll see how he does with this.
The gun, what I like to do, swipes the wheel, you're just like, oh, god dang. But yeah, go ahead and give it a shot, dude. It kind of does in a sense, because when you're too close, say like one of the wheels comes out with like a little light spot, it's not bad to spray it again, put it back in the oven. Oh. So you can see right here, if you're even looking right here, see the difference in these two? You can see the light of the gray for the sandblast coming through. It's because it's not coated. You're about to put yourself out of business because that's fun. I might have to start doing that.
Yeah, Harbor Freight sells a powder coat gun. So you can do this at your house. You use your regular oven in your kitchen. I mean, obviously you're limited to size, but yeah, absolutely, you can do this at home. You get professional quality out of your house. Like that's what's cool about powder is there's really not much to it. You gotta have a clean surface, make sure it's prepped well. You apply the powder, make sure it's not too heavy, not too thick. Put it in the oven, it comes out beautiful.
Like, the thing that's different about somewhere like this is the size of the ovens. So like that, we could set a bunch of stuff in. Can we show them that other room?
Yeah, this is our 16 by 8 foot oven. So we can do larger scale, like fences for houses or railings or
patio furniture.
We do all sorts of things, all different from exhaust tips to motorcycles.
This is where all the sandblasting happens. This is a man's job right here.
So all the wheels are now in the oven. We got them all hanging up. Ready close to the burner.
It's been a full 30 minutes. We are ready to pull the wheels out of that oven. Should be cool. This is a part where you get to see what it looks like, because the color after it's been through the oven comes out a lot crazier than the powder. The powder is just very dull.
Let's open it up.
Oh yeah.
The titanium. But it's a sick color though.
Keep them shiny, you know what I mean?
Well, tell them what's going on, Josh.
Well, from the color samples arrival to the finished product, they're slightly different. So we're trying to find out what's gonna pull this car together. And I think the answer is, with this being a satin finish, we add a little glossiness to it, which is easily to do by adding a clear coat top coat.
That's the same. We're hoping that the clear makes it look a little bit better, and we have the first set done.
And you can definitely tell they have more of a gloss on it.
Yeah, I like it.
I do too.
I like the wet look.
Yeah, it does. Looks.
Yeah, this manifold is gonna look nice like that.
Oh, dude, it looks.
I think it looks better.
Yeah. I don't know how I feel.
You don't know how you feel?
It's an unusual color. It does look better.
The wheel will be the telltale.
Let's stick it out there. See it in the sun.
Yeah, it looks like the swatch.
Oh, I like it better. I definitely like it better. Ooh.
Predicament. We got these wheels powder coated, and I really just don't know if I love it. And everything on this car has to be a love situation. So today we're gonna mount it up on the car for the first time now that we can, and decide, are these the right choice? Are these the right things? Did we make the right move? So let's throw it up on the side where you can see them in the sun, because when these are in the sun, they have this like white haze on it. But the color is sick, and I love the cage and the stuff on the interior and the intake manifold, so if these don't work, I'm going to be really sad we have to redo it all.
Oh, no.
I don't know if you can see on camera just how how's that hazy look. Like it literally looks almost gray right now. Especially even like right, yeah, you can definitely see that on camera. Look at that, that's crazy. But then keep that in mind. Then you come over here, and it looks gold. This side is shaded, so I'm gonna go ahead and pull the wheels and put it on this side and kind of give me an idea of like, okay, I know what it looks like direct on from an angle in the sun. Now let's do the same thing, but in the shadow, so we can kind of get an idea of what this is gonna look like to make sure we love it. This video on the screen, we swap a 2005 STi drivetrain into this 1996. Go over and check out the process. It's super interesting. I think you'll find it valuable. Thanks for stopping by. This car's got a long way to go. This is a lifelong project for me, and hopefully we can get it running here soon. I appreciate the patience on these videos. I'll see you guys soon. CarmaSpeed.com, Mazda Speed 3 giveaway. We'll see you there.